Vidit, today what are you doing?
I am playing.
Oh, nice. Vidit, you have so many toys. What is this? So Vidit, can you tell me what's the name of all these toys? Tell me what all are these toys?
These are construction vehicles.
Oh, nice. Vidit, can you tell me the name of all these vehicles?
Okay, Cherry.
Yay, I'm super excited.
This is crane lorry. We can use this to lift heavy stuff.
Okay. Vidit, what is this?
This is NJCB.
Oh, and oh my god, this is so big truck. What is this, Vidit?
This is 4x4 dumper.
Oh my god, one more toy. Vidit, what is this?
This is an excavator.
Oh, and one more toy you have. It's different one. What is this?
This is driller. We used to dig these in road.
Oh my god, Vidit. And what is this?
This is an tractor. We use this and this to fill in this.
Oh, nice. Oh, Vidit, I am so excited to know more about these toys. Can you tell me?
Okay, Cherry. Now I'm going to tell the same about this vehicle.
Okay, Vidit. Now tell me.
We can use this to tow this by lifting it.
Oh my god. This also we can extend.
Yeah.
Yay, it's super. Woo. Okay, we can lift this and Vidit, see, we can extend this also. Right?
Yes. And we can move it to another place.
Oh, this one also movable. Super nice, Vidit. Oh, Vidit, nice. We dumped it. It means if we want to remove some waste thing, we can lift and we can remove that. It means this is lifting vehicle. We can lift one thing from one place and we can dump in another place.
Good job, Carrie.
Nice. Over there. Now this is different vehicle. So can you tell me about this vehicle?
Okay, Cherry. This is a crane.
No.
This is a JCB. We use to dig and the waste we get with either dumping down or in the trolley.
Oh my god, it sounds good. It means we can remove waste material from one place to another place.
Good job, Cherry.
Yay! Now Vidit, can I try?
You can, Cherry.
Oh, I'm super excited.
An excavator.
Oh, this is excavator, Vidit.
Yeah,
But this is quite similar to JCB, right?
yeah, but it is a bit different.
Oh, this is different one. Vidit, can you explain what's the different things in this excavator has?
If this can't go somewhere, this can go somewhere high place like a hill.
Oh,
And its tires are different from these.
yes, Vidit. And do you know one more thing? Wherever JCB can't go, yeah, there we can take this excavator and we can take material and we can dump in another place, right?
Correct, Cherry.
Yay! Can you show me? Oh, Vidit, this is quite different vehicle. Can you tell big wheel also. Vidit, what is this and what's the use of this vehicle?
This is a dumper. We use big weight and put it on it.
Oh Vidit, it's nice. See, we can dump also.
Yes,
Can you show me once?
see.
Oh, superb, nice. See, we can dump also, and it again we can close and lock also is there. Nice.
Now it can't open.
Oh, superb. Can we show to our friends how we can fill in this and how we will dump?
Okay, Jerry.
Yay! Hey friends, how is my video? If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel so you can watch more interesting video. Bye bye my friends.